Welcome. In front of me is an LG V50, and today I'll show you how to enable and also set up the portable hotspot. To get started, we'll need to pull down the notification panel and find the hotspot toggle somewhere in here, and I can already see it right over here. So once you find it, you want to simply hold it. This will take us to the settings where we can change things like our password. So let's tap on set up Wi-Fi hotspot right over here, and this will bring up basically the menu where you can customize it. So starting off at the top, we have just a name. This will be the Wi-Fi name that is visible in the list. You can change it if you want to, or leave it as it is. It really doesn't matter as long as you remember it, and most of the time it's the name of the device itself anyway. Then we have security. I would keep it as it is, otherwise anybody can connect to your Wi-Fi when you choose to set it to open. And then below that we have the password. Now you could tap on show password and try to remember this mess, but honestly it is going to be way better just to tap here and completely remove it and set your own new password. Now it does need to have 8 characters in length, as you can see right over here, and once it does you will be able to save it. Now below that we also have last option, which is the maximum user. Now this will determine how many people can connect to your Wi-Fi, that is basically your hotspot, at a given time. Now right now it's set to 10 people, so 10 people could connect at once to your device, most likely crippling your network speed, but if you're not, you can change it to things like, for instance, 1 person, which is something a little bit more reasonable for a hotspot, I would say. 1, 2 seems to be good enough. And then below that we also have show advanced options, but in here, what is it? Nothing really interesting. Well, so from here, simply tap on save. And once you save it, you can then tap on the check mark right here to turn on hotspot. And there we go, it's now on. Now you don't actually have to go into here to enable it. You can also just tap on the toggle right over here to turn it on or off, depending on what you want to do. As you can see, tap on it and it's off. Tap on it once more to turn it on, and now it's on. Simple as that. Now I do advise you to turn off your hotspot once you're finished with it, otherwise it's going to be using a little bit more battery in your device, and also disables your Wi-Fi. So if you, for instance, are using your phone at home with hotspot, you'll be using then your mobile network instead of connecting to, for instance, your Wi-Fi at home. So that's that. And that is basically how you would set it up and use it. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.